What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T Hobbs from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know I brought my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's up, YouTube?
Hey, listen up, man. First and foremost, guys, please make sure you like and subscribe to the video. You'll get turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or produce another video. First and foremost, please make sure you go and follow us on Twitter. We're approaching that 17K mark, and we really appreciate your support. Also, make sure you jump into our Discord by clicking this link tree here. It'll take you right into the Discord, and that'll be where you'll get information on the upcoming launch of our new products. All right, now, that being said, the topic of the today is, what would you do? Now, imagine you're in a exchange, right? Let's just say crypto.com, right? You're in an exchange and you get a refund issued to you that was supposed to be $100, and they give you $1,000. What would you do? Would you give the money back? Would you keep the money? Would you go on a run? Interesting thought, right? Now check out this particular story on this particular individual right here. It says, Crypto.com lawsuit against I'm just going to call her TM because I can't pronounce her name, explaining a $10.5 million mistake. $10.5 million. Now, let's get into a little bit of the details. Back in May of 2021, Crypto.com accidentally transferred a whopping $10.5 million to a Melbourne woman who sought a mere $100 refund. TM did not report the mishap and went on to spend the money to purchase a luxury 5-bedroom house. This house reported entailed a home gym as well as a cinema. The purchase was made back in February. Now, you go on to read that she was sued. She went to court. She never showed up in court. They basically said she has to pay the money back and she's seeking legal advice. So my question to you, Justin, on this particular video, like I said, sometimes we do education, sometimes we tell a story, sometimes we just report the news, and this made me tickle a little bit. So my question to you, Justin, is what would you do?
Well, first off, if I'm crypto.com, I'm firing whoever made that $10 million mistake. They are gone. But if I'm her, so in the Navy, we get overpaid all the time, and we're taught to hold on to the money because you never know we're gonna have to pay it back. Mm-hmm. So being the financially literate person that I am, I probably would have kept the money until they ask for it back, just so I don't get into any legal problems. Like, yeah, it's great to say that I would spend the money, but to be honest, I would know at some point you got to pay the piper. They're gonna come for it because $10 million ain't something you just forget about, right? Once you find that, you're like, I want my money back and I want it now. So I would have done the responsible thing, and I would have just kept it aside. And then if they never asked for it, then I guess, in 20 years or something, then I would have spent it on like an investment or something like that. But yeah, I would have held on to it.
The irony of this is on the opposite side of the coin. All through this year, we've been hearing that exchanges have basically been telling investors, you can't get your money because of the conditions of the market. I find that extremely ironic because in this situation, she got a refund and now they're coming after her for that money. It's kind of a catch-22. I think as a mature investor and a mature individual with an entire family, if I got the money, I might have spent a little bit of it knowing that I was probably going to have to pay it back, but I would have been terrified to spend that money and actually have to go to jail knowing that I could have just given the money back. It's probably what I would have done, but it's kind of food for thought. And we wanted to take the opportunity to share this information with you. And I hope you enjoyed this particular story because it's kind of like a what would you do moment. That being said, that's all we have for this episode of ClearCryptos Education. Guys, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. But that man up above is Jay Seal. My name is T Hobbs. This is ClearCryptos Education, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.